Today I am going to show the experiment about balancing of balloon. First I have taken a balloon and blown and I have tied the thread using stick. And next I have taken another thread and I have tied it middle. Now I am punching the balloon using safety pin. It's going because the air balloon has a weight. Thank you. Hi, today's activity is air as oxygen. First take a candle and light the candle and then close the inverted glass. The candle got extinguished because the component inside of the glass tumbler which supports burning is limited. Most of the component is used by the burning candles. However, the candle is getting continued supply of air. Thank you. Today I am going to say about air. What you have noticed in this activity? I have noticed that air has weight. Does air has weight? Yes, it has. What is air? Air is one of the main life-sustaining gas. All living things breathe in and breathe out in the form of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Which gas are present in the air? Oxygen is present in the air. When did the water enter the bottle? We are putting the bottle inside the bucket. By that time, only water will enter along with air. From where did the bubbles were coming? When the bottle was tilted, the air was able to come out in the form of bubbles. Can you guess the reason behind the bubbles? Because water filled up the empty space, that's why the air has occupied. It fills all the space in the bottle. It is present everywhere around us. And activity 3 questions. What did you observe when you shake the bottle? The water is settled in the bottom of the bottle and the air bubbles are occupies the surface of bottle. Write down changes on bottle A and bottle B that both are same. Can you come out with the reasons behind these changes? As we can come out in these behind the changes. And activity 4. What happened to the candle after covering with glass? The glass is utilized in burning the candle because all the oxygen gets converted into carbon dioxide. Why did the candle put off after few seconds? A burning candle is covered with an inverted glass jar. A lit candle needs to draw oxygen from the air in order to continue burning. Thank you.